Should Americans in Europe worry about FATCA for retirement? Imagine living in Europe, enjoying the rich culture and beautiful scenery while managing your retirement savings. But a question might pop up: what about FATCA? FATCA stands for the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. It was created by the United States to prevent tax evasion. It requires U.S. citizens living abroad to report foreign financial assets to the IRS. This includes bank accounts, investments, pensions, and other assets held outside the United States. If your foreign assets are above certain limits, you must file IRS Form 8938, called the Statement of Specified Foreign Financial Assets. For single filers living in Europe, the threshold is if your foreign assets are more than $200,000 at the end of the year. If at any point during the year your assets go over $300,000, you must report. Married couples filing jointly have higher limits, for $100,000 at year-end or $600,000 at any time. FATCA is not the only rule to watch. Americans also need to file FBAR, the Foreign Bank Account Report, if the total value of all foreign accounts exceeds $10,000 at any time during the year. These are separate filings, but both are important for compliance. Many European banks are familiar with FATCA now. They often ask for U.S. citizenship information when opening accounts. This is because they want to avoid penalties for non-compliance. So, if you have a bank account or investment in Europe, it's likely your bank will report your information to the IRS if you meet the thresholds. For retirees, this means keeping detailed records of all foreign accounts, pensions, and investments. You want to be ready to report accurately on your annual tax return. Working with a tax professional experienced in U.S. expat laws can help you understand your obligations. They can also advise on possible ways to reduce reporting burdens or explore exemptions. It's important to remember that FATCA does not prevent you from having foreign accounts or pensions. It simply requires transparency. Some foreign banks might even restrict services to U.S. persons because of the compliance costs. This could affect your banking and investment options in Europe. In the end, Americans living or retiring in Europe should not ignore FATCA. Staying compliant helps you avoid penalties and keeps your financial life smooth. With proper planning and professional advice, you can manage your retirement savings effectively while enjoying your life abroad.